Aerial Influence has had an insanely busy month. We're going to give you the full update. That's coming up next. Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. If you love drones and the ways they're changing the world, you've come to the right place. Today, I wanted to give you a quick wrap up of what we've been doing for the last month. We always get questions on what exactly does Aerial Influence do, and that's kind of complicated because we're kind of figuring it out as we go. So I'm gonna give you an idea for the last month of what we've been up to. So let's start with the week of September 9th at Parkland College in Champaign, Illinois. We were asked by Parkland's Director of Agriculture, Jen Frigen, to come down to participate in 2 days of demonstrations of our agricultural drones. We included everything that DJI has to offer. We had a great time answering questions for students who had a great interest in how drones are about to really change things. Agriculture is a big focus for DJI in the years to come. So we were excited to share our knowledge with the students, with Jen. Jen taught us a lot. It was a great time. Let's move on to our next adventure. On September 17th, we were down in Oglesby, Illinois with the Elgin Police Department at Starved Rock to do a drone training for police and fire departments. I did a whole video on that. You can watch it here. So let's move on to our next event. After leaving Starved Rock on September 18th, we headed back to Aerial Influence's headquarters in Elgin to welcome the organization PEO International. Now, this is a philanthropic group of women who are helping other women reach for the stars. Special thanks to Judy Burgess for helping bring that group out. On September 21st, we were at Alpine Valley in Wisconsin at Farm Aid. Now, we were really there as fans, and we were there to support the farmers around America. This is a really important event. It's grown over the years. We had so much fun, and it was really, really cool to see people like Dave Matthews, John Mellencamp, Neil Young, Nathaniel Rateliff. They were out there supporting the farmers of America. We appreciate that. We love our clients that are farmers. We love working with them. So this was an important event, but also we had a really good time. The week of September 23rd, Aerial Influence was at DJI Airworks in Los Angeles. Now, this is a yearly event where all of the DJI dealers and vendors all get together and talk about how drones are changing things. So how they're working in fire and rescue, how they're working in agriculture, and how they're being used in other businesses. We saw the announcement of the Phantom 4 multispectral. This is gonna be a huge, huge drone in the world of agriculture. This is going to allow farmers to tell the health of their crops. They can use it as a mapping drone. It even works in conjunction with DJI Terra to speak to the AgGrass series. So you can use your drone to map the field, tell where the bad spots are, what needs pesticide, what doesn't need pesticide. And that information is then sent to the AgGrass series, which will then fly that field and spray your field for you autonomously. It's really super cool. All right, speaking of the AgGrass series, they also announced the T16. This is gonna be a big drone in the world of agriculture. Literally, it's huge. It's about twice the size of the AgGrass, but it also covers twice the amount of space. So you're talking over 20 acres an hour, all autonomously, all from remote control. You're gonna be able to hook up 5 different drones to this one remote control. So one person's gonna be able to control 5 drones. They can each cover 20 acres at one time. It's gonna be crazy. We can't wait to get our hands on an AgGrass T16. After catching our breath, we moved on to the University of Illinois Extension in Sterling, Illinois with our friend Mary Nelson. She gathered farmers from around the area to see the AgGrass, to see how it could spray and spread, to hear more information about the Phantom 4 multispectral, and to fly some drones like the Matrice 210 RTK. They got to see how powerful that zoom lens can be, and they also got to see how thermal cameras work. The next day, we were at the University of Illinois Extension in Freeport, Illinois at Highland Community College. We did a Q&A with students. We showed them what we had to offer. They had lots of questions. We had mostly answers, but it was a really good couple of hours where they got to see where the future of the technology is going. And finally, everything culminated on October 4th, where we invited police and fire departments from around the area to come for a search and rescue drone demonstration. We had a great turnout. We had police from Wheaton, Aurora, Elgin, and Antioch here, the Kane County Sheriff's Office, Kane County Emergency Management, and Kendall County Emergency Management all were in attendance. This was a great day to show them exactly what we had to offer, how these drones are gonna save them time, it's gonna save lives, it's gonna save money. So it has been a crazy month here at Aerial Influence, and we are exhausted, but we are so excited to share with you what's to come in the world of drones. If you like this video and you wanna follow along with our journey, we hope you will like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.